What a great looking commercial vehicle. This is a Defender 110 hardtop, but it is the X-Dynamic HSE, which is top of the range. This is a 2026 26 registration with literally 400 miles on, finished in Santorini black, which looks awesome. But being the X-Dynamic HSE means top of the range. But better than that, it's got the biggest diesel engine. That's the 3-litre diesel producing 350 brake horsepower, which is called the D350. Now, as standard from the factory, even though it's top of the range, you still don't get all the extras. So you don't get air suspension, you don't get the detachable tow bar, jump seat, but this car has all that. A lot of my clients that buy Defenders from me, that's how they want it. With the tow bar, with the suspension, with the jump seat, so it has 3 in the front. They want it new as possible. And this then has the extra styling kit. That's a quad pod lights at the top, the squared LED daytime running lights, different inserts here, Canards. You've then got the extended arch kit with the grooves. Now this has been a 26 model year, is also the new shape meaning facelift, the newer headlights, bonnet venting, side venting, and then the rear. Everything is color coded. You've got 360 camera system, you've got front rear parking sensors, and then the gloss black 22-inch wheels, which look absolutely amazing. Mudflaps, side steps. There's a side venting which is completely different. And then as for the interior, you've got the Meridian Sound system, electric memory, heated and ventilated seats, and that is full leather interior. This is a lovely touch, the dark crossbeam on here. Touchscreen media system, front rear heated windscreen, adaptive cruise control and heated steering wheel. You've then got digital dashboard, ambient lighting, so even though it's a commercial, it's far from boring, quite the opposite as a matter of fact. This looks amazing. But because it's nice and high up and it's an SUV, you can drive on all terrains. Going back to the commercial side of it, you've got the bulkhead, LED lights, coat hangers, lots of lockable space around the vehicle. And as I mentioned, it has got the detachable tow bar. With the tow bar, when you're ready to use it, you click it in. When you're done with it, you take it back out. Rear spoiler, hardback spare wheel cover, LED rear lighting system, and there's a tow bar there. This being the new model, it has that new flat face on it, more space underneath here, and because the car's got air suspension, you can press that button, it'll lower or raise the car for your liking. It's beautiful. We sell tens and tens of these literally every week, and when they're like that, just sell themselves. The biggest thing with this one is the engine, is the spec, it's the fact that it's got the remainder of the 3 years manufacturer's warranty, and it's stunning. Full digital dashboard, like I said, push button start, nice quiet sound to the engine, more than enough power, very easy to use, and that high definition camera system with a 360 camera works extremely well. This is going live now. My name and number is on the screen. If you like this car, call me direct on the number and get it reserved, because the last hours, literally. And yes, I will get another one in a few weeks maybe, but that'll go in hours as well. So if you do like it, give me a call, but it's absolutely stunning. Thank you, bye bye now.